Now I'm going to show you how to play the D major chord. So the first finger is going to go on the second fret of the G string. You want to make sure you're using your fingertip as much as possible with this chord and a good arch on your fingers. You really don't want to be touching any of the other strings on this chord in particular. Second finger is going to go on the little E string of the second fret as well. Again, nice arch on the finger, much of the fingertip as possible. And the third finger is going to go on the third fret of the B string. And this is the one, more than the others, this is the one you want to have a really good arch on it, because this one, it's very common for you to touch the little E string with this finger as well as the intended note on the B string. If you do that, you're just going to get a deadened sound on the E string, and it's going to not sound like a D major chord. So you have to really make sure you're getting a good arch on this finger, so really concentrate on getting your fingertip on that one as much as possible. So we've got first finger, second fret G, second finger, second fret of the E, and the third finger on the third fret of the B. So we do as usual thing. This is a D chord, so we play from the D string. So we play the D string first, play the G string, play the B string, and play the E string. Make sure they're all sounding correct. Like I said, you don't want to get this sound. So you want to make sure you get the fingertips on there as much as possible, all sounding correct. Then strum the chord. Fingers off, put them back on again, exactly the same thing. So you're training yourself to get your fingers into the shape of the chord every single time.